everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make this origami snail. And I really like this model. And it's also very, very simple. So this is actually should be probably one of the ones that you start with. You do have to cut one thing with it, so you need to have a pair of scissors handy. Okay, so you just grab your piece of paper. And you're going to start with it white side up. And you're going to fold it in half so that this corner meets that corner. Just like that. Okay, unfold and fold this edge to the center. And then you're going to fold this edge to the center. And repeat on the other side. Just like that. Okay, now you're going to fold the top corner down and back up like that. And then you're going to fold your model in half, just like that. And you're going to fold your top corner up, just like that. And this is going to form your snail's head. Or I guess neck. I don't think snails have necks, but that area. And then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut just the top of it. And then take the top flap and fold it over. And this is going to create its eyes. And there you go. An origami snail. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you in my next video.